Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 AGRIC Science Past Question 22. Which of the following is not a method of applying fertilizer? A. Broadcast, B. Ring method, C. Side placement, and D. Flash method. So we are asked to pick an option which is not a method of fertilizer application. Now let's just remind ourselves what fertilizer actually are. Now fertilizer are agrochemicals. Agrochemicals. Fertilizers are agrochemicals that are used to enhance maximum plant production. So fertilizers simply refers to agrochemicals that are used to enhance what? Plant production. Now A here says broadcast method. Now broadcast method is a method of fertilizer application. Now in this method, the fertilizer is applied by what? By spreading it. This broadcast method simply means what? Spreading of the fertilizer. That's what this broadcast method means. From the word broadcast, you spread it around. You can use your hand or you can use machines. Now B here says ring method. Now ring method is a method of fertilizer application in which the fertilizer is placed in a ring form, that is in a circular form around the plants. Let's say for instance you have a plant here. Now let's say this is a plant. Now the fertilizer is placed around the plant in a ring method that is in a circular form. So this is a ring method, and it's also a form of fertilizer application. Then C here says side placement. Now side placement is also a method of applying fertilizer, in the sense that the fertilizer is placed close to the plant, that is one side of the plant. Let's say for instance you have a plant like this. Now you place the fertilizer close to the plant, at the side of the plant. That's side placement. So side placement is also a method of applying fertilizer. Now D here says flash method. Now flash method is not a method of fertilizer application in agriculture. So D here is the answer to our question, because the question says which of the following is not a method of applying fertilizer, and we have broadcast method, which is spreading of fertilizer. We have the ring method, like I told you, this is the ring method, and then the side placement, this is the side placement. But flash method here is not applicable in agriculture. So the answer to this question is option D, flash method. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.